In this video, I'll show you how to fix your headphones not working issue inside of Windows 11. Now, I'm just going to jump straight into this guide and you'll need to go through each of these steps to find the solution that works for you. So first thing to do is head over to your start menu and search for Run, and then just head over to the Run app. Inside of this search box, we need to type in sysdm.cpl and hit enter. Then come over to the hardware tab at the top here, and down in device installation settings, we need to click this device installation settings button, and you'll have two options here, either yes or no, and we need to make sure no is selected, and then we can hit save changes. We can press OK to head out of this window, and the next thing you'll need to do is head over to the start menu, search for services, and then come over to the services app. From this list of services, we need to find something called performance logs and alerts, which will be down in the P section. So once you've found this service here, performance logs and alerts, we're just going to double click on it, and you need to change this startup type from manual to automatic, and we can press apply and OK to save these changes. Then we're going to double click on the process once more, and if the service status here is set to stopped, we're just going to go ahead and start this process by clicking the start button here. We can then press OK and close out of this window, and the next thing you're going to do is head back over to the start menu, this time search for control panel and head over to the control panel app. Inside of here, just make sure view by is set to large icons, and then we're going to come over to this sound option here and make sure you're inside of this playback tab. And from this list, we need to come down and locate our headphones, and once you've located your headphones, we first need to set them as the default device, so we can do that by simply selecting the device and clicking this set default button here. You also need to make sure the device is actually enabled just by right clicking on it and selecting this enable button. Now this won't be available for me as I currently don't have my headphones plugged in, and the last thing you're going to do is right click on your headphones, come over to properties, and inside of here you should see this levels tab at the top, and you just need to ensure the volume slider is actually turned up to full, and we can press apply and OK to save these changes. Then the last thing you're going to do, if that's still not fixed the issue, is head over to our start menu and search for device manager, and then head over to the device manager tab. Inside of here, come all the way down to sound, video and game controllers and expand this list, and you need to locate your headphones inside of here. So for illustration purposes, let's just say it's Reese's AirPods is the device I'm having issues with. What we need to do is right click on this device and select update driver, and then press search automatically for drivers. Now if that still doesn't work, the last thing you can do here is right click on your device and come into uninstall device, click on uninstall to confirm, and then come over to the top here inside of action, and you need to press scan for hardware changes. Now that should reinstall the headphones to your PC, otherwise what you'll need to do is restart your computer, and then that should have fixed the headphones not working issue. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you, and if you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like below, and I'll see you in the next video.